Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to separate text in Excel using the Flashfill feature. So I have this list of text that I need us to separate, and I want us to separate the letters from the numbers. So how Flashfill works, you normally give it a suggestion of the pattern that you want it to follow. For example, in this particular cell, let's type in block, because in this column I want us to have the text in letters, and then in the other column I want us to have the text in numbers. So once you're done typing, press enter on your keyboard, and then under the home tab, go to fill and then flash fill. So there you go. You can see we have our first part of the text in letters. So another way of using flash fill, which is actually a shortcut, let me just undo this and show you. Once you're done typing, just press Ctrl E, and there you go. So let's continue to the other bit. So in this column, or in this particular cell, let's input the last part, which are numbers 342, and then press enter, then Ctrl plus E, and there you go. So it's as easy as that. So what if you decide to change the pattern? So what happens? Let me show you. Remember, I told you that flash fill follows the pattern that you suggested. Let's just clear this. So let's type in here block, and then the first put in the first number, which is 3, and then press enter, then press Ctrl plus E. You can see it follows the pattern that I suggested here. So in this column, let's put the last 2 digits, then press enter, then Ctrl plus E. There you go. So you can clearly see there's a difference, because it all follows the flash fill follows the pattern suggested in the first cell. So there is one shortcoming of using flash fill, which is once you separate the text and then you decide to edit the original text or the combined text, the change is not normally effected in the separated text. For example, let's change this text to something like apartment, then press enter. So you realize the change has not been effected in the separated cell. So that's one shortcoming about it. But I'll show you more ways on how you can separate text in Excel. So make sure you stick around. And this marks the end of our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next video. Bye.